Jason, what do you think of the transplant?
I'm very happy with the results so far, and even the day of the transplant, I was made to feel very comfortable by everybody, and I felt it was a smooth process. And especially
Today I'm going to present Jason to you. He had a transplant to his crown approximately 1 year ago. He's 45 years old, and we're going to show you his photographs prior to the transplant. You can now see what it looked like just after the transplant. And now let us look and see what he looks like 1 year after the transplant. Can you rotate, please? So this is what he looks like. Turn around, please. So Jason, what do you think of the transplant?
I'm very happy with the results so far, and even the day of the transplant, I was made to feel very comfortable by everybody, and I felt it was a smooth process, and especially like how Dr. Gupta checked up with me every day in the days following to make sure I was okay, and everything was made clear to me the day of, and what I was supposed to do the day after. So very happy with Sure Hair.
When did you begin to notice hair regrowth in the crown?
I would say began to notice it a couple months after. It started to start filling in, and then just every month it was more and more up until now. It's very full, and the last 2 months especially I've noticed more hair growth than any other period during the 12 months after. And hopefully, I'm told also it continues for up to 16 months, so that's great. So far, I'm very pleased with it.
And you did not use Rogaine, or you did not use...
I have not used anything yet. I have not used anything, but I will. I will start doing that.
So for anybody who's thinking of doing a hair transplant, what would you say to them?
I would absolutely recommend Sure Hair. You tell that they basically they know what they're doing, and make you feel comfortable and through the whole process.